Hey folks, Dan Frio here with your market update for March 6, 2024. Well, I called it. Yesterday, if you remember, I said, well, mortgage rates are going to get down to the low sevens. We're probably going to see a reprieve of about 5 or 6 ticks. We saw just that. If you see, look over there, the 30-year fixed is now 7.03, 0.06 less than where we were. You also saw yesterday the stock market just crashed. My technicals of a crash is 300, 400, 500 points, and that's what we saw. Why? What happened? Well, Federal Chairman Powell came out and he said, well, we're not going to really cut rates anytime soon unless we see the data coming in that basically is telling us the economy is slowing down. Well, today that data is coming in. The ADP payroll numbers is right here. Came in as 140,000. It was less than expected. Okay, they were expecting a number of about 150,000. It came in less. So what we're seeing right now, the markets are loving this stuff. Okay, the stock market is up. The Dow Jones is up almost 200 points. NASDAQ's up 166 points. So what's really the context of all this? Well, the gist is the Federal Reserve is saying, well, if more and more people lose their job, that means they can't spend stuff. That means inflation's going to start coming down. So everybody's applauding this. And I hate to say it, that's actually what's happening right now. If we go over to bond yields, we're seeing them spike right now as well. So what we're seeing right through here, this is what we focus in on a daily basis. This is basically how I can forecast or predict where mortgage rates are going. I'm not Nostradamus. I don't read tea leaves. I basically watch this bond market. So this bond right here, if you go back and you want to figure out how bonds work, check out yesterday's video. I explain exactly how bonds work. But you're seeing right now the bond price right through here. You're focusing in on, if you really want to know what's going on with mortgage rates, check out the price of a mortgage bond. Right now it's up 20 ticks. What does that mean? Well, basically in bond world, if the price of a bond goes up, rates are going to come down. Well, 20 tick is pretty darn good. So we're probably going to see a reprieve of about 8 ticks when it comes to mortgage rates. So if we blow over to the mortgage rate section, we're going to be in the 6% range today. So if you're one of our borrowers, please hold tight. We're going to reevaluate your situation, where your locks are in regards to mortgage rates. But if you're out there and you're already locked in, what can you do? Are you stuck? Well, no, you're not stuck. Okay, we have a function on our website. So let's get over to, I'll explain exactly to you guys what I do. My name is Dan Frio. I do this report on a daily basis because I'm a licensed mortgage advisor, licensed in all 50 states as well as Puerto Rico. We'd love to help you navigate if you're looking to buy a house in this market, or are you looking to refinance, or are you looking to buy your first investment property? We'd love to help. So how can we help you? Well, if you're out there right now and you've already locked in, are you stuck? Well, you're probably most likely stuck with that lender because you're going to see a little bit of a reprieve today in rates because of the bond market here. You're going to see rates probably teeter into the 6% range. So if you're already locked in, what can you do? Well, go to our website, the rate update. Upload what we call your loan estimate. So if you applied for a mortgage somewhere, the lender had to send you a loan estimate, okay? Upload your loan estimate right in there. It's going to give you a tab that says loan estimate. What you're going to do, upload it in there. What I'm going to do is analyze your loan situation with up to 73 different lenders in our arsenal. I work with 73 lenders, which I can offer you their programs and their rates. So we're going to analyze to see, can I get you a lower rate, lower fees, or maybe a combination of the both? But if you're out there and you're like, Dan, I really would like some assistance on trying to buy my first house, well, we can help you there too. There's an Apply Now tab right up through there. So there's 3 ways to reach out to us. If you want to have questions in regards to, applying for a loan, how much you can qualify and so forth. So the first step is the Apply Now button. Click that. It's going to ask you a series of questions. Put in your application. Within 24 hours, we're going to reach out to you, okay, and answer any and all questions that you have. Another thing is we have a live event this afternoon. Kyle Seagraves and myself have live events every Wednesday. Starts at 2:30 Central Time, my time here. So we'd love for you to join us at that time to ask any questions that you have, or you can actually call us or email me directly. So at our website, therateupdate.com, what you're going to do is scroll down all the way to the bottom. You're going to see our 800 number as well as my email address, and it is right there. So thanks so much for watching, guys. God bless. I hope you join us today on our live broadcast on YouTube. If not, I'll see you tomorrow morning. Take care. Have a great day. Bye-bye.